What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today I want to announce another giveaway. We've had a really crazy year in 2020. It's Christmas time, so I want to go ahead and give back to the community. I'm going to be giving away this Rotor Riot CL1 frame. I think I got in a past quad box, maybe. Never used it. So I'm going to give this away, and I'm also going to give away this Ummagawd remix frame. I think I got in one of those newbie drone honeypots where you can, I think it's like 40 or 50. It depends on what honeypot you get, but it's like random stuff in a box. I get all the subscription boxes, so you can see I'm a kind of a sucker for random things in a box to buy. But yes, so this will be the Ummagawd remix frame and also the Rotor Riot CL1 frame. What you have to go ahead and do to enter into the drawing is just leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, Viper FPV, and also give this video a like. And then on December 24th, 2020, I'll go ahead and release another video, just a random comment picker, picking a winner. For official rules, go ahead and see down in the video description. But this is all I got for you today. This is Viper FPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.